Yabona indaba ye-ref bala eSouth Africa isizoqala ikhathazi indaba yokuyikhuluma. Sihlezi sithi sifuna i-VAR, sihlezi sithi sifuna i-VAR. Yabo, officiating yala eSouth Africa is very frustrating. Uma subheke labo ref labo bathathu abapheli ematheni. I'm sure kukhona abanye yabo engaba includeanga la. Bakhona abanye abangawenzi ama decisions are right. If you remember the game against the Mamelodi Sundowns and Kaizer Chiefs. Remember the game against the Mamelodi Sundowns and Kaizer Chiefs? Kubethwe Premiership. Is the Sundowns score a goal on an offside position. Remember that game? Some of the decisions in war ref, they cost our team big time. Some of the decisions they take are right, but the way they take those decisions, bawathatha ngesikhathi esirong. Bawathatha ngesikhathi esirong and abayibheki timing yabo. Yes, izolo nje kade kudlala iOrlando Pirates versus Kaizer Chiefs. The penalty eawadwe uma Sixolo ebambiso is the talking point of the layer game yayizolo, because the penalty ekoro Thomas Wangai iyona penalty eyenza Orlando Pirates ithole 3 points. Kaizer Chiefs was playing good. Yes, Kaizer Chiefs was playing good. But when we go to the laws of the game, the laws of the game states ukuthi leyana bekuyi penalty. Yabo, they states ukuthi bekuyi penalty. But na into engifuna ukisho la. Yabo, ukube la eSouth Africa ibikhona iVAR. Ukube beyikhona iVAR, still leya penalty leyana ibizobekwa. Yabo, still ibizobekwa. Why ingabekwa? Why ama fans engayiphasisi lento? Ingoba yenziwe ureferee. Abasamthembi kwa ref. Maybe nikezwe ama rule book, izinto abazaziyo. Yabo, abasathembi kwasani, because bathi labo referee raba bakhokholi Orlando Pirates. Yabo, ngababali abanye banama mistakes wabo amaningi kakhulu. Yabona kodwa le eyenziwe izolo uMasixolo ibambiso, one of the best referees abakhona la. Sekwayiwina i-referee of the season 22-2023 season. Mina ikhumbula kahle wayiwina. Umjida uyayazi into eyenzayo. So le game yayizolo i-decision ayenzile ibi right, but i-decision ayenzile ikhoste ukuthi kudliwe iKaizer Chiefs. Yabo, and iyona ke into ebhedayo, iyona into engishoyo ukuthi ama-fans amaningi ngiyasakholelwa kakhulu ko-ref bethu, because ama decisions abo abuye abe questionable. Yes, we do need i-VAR. Ukuba i-VAR bikhona ibizocacisa yonke into. Ukuba khona kwe-VAR kubalekile kwibhola la eSouth Africa. And mesizoqhubeka kanje, ziningi izinto ezisazosibhedela. Yabo, ziningi izinto ezisazosibhedela. Lento lemeli ishintshwe nje phezulu. It was a good game izolo. It was a good game. But imoshwe nje i-decision eyodwa. Ube nayo igame emnandi izolo. Uyihandlishe kahle iDerby. Yabo, ungimangazile nami. But decision eyodwa emenze waluza i-credibility, yabo, as a ref. Mesibuza nge-VAR, kuthi i-VAR yabiza, i-VAR wara. Yabo, bathi i-VAR yabiza. Asazi ivumelo nini i-VAR. Asazi ngempela bafethu. But nje labo referee laba badinga i-VAR zibasize. Badinga nje i-VAR kuphela. Bona bayakwazi ukumanage ama-games. Inkinga ama-decisions wabo. Kumele abhekwe i-evidence. Kumele abhekwe i-VAR. Yiloko nje mina engingakusho.